Deo. Demo. Kumgamsa. Sangwala July, this time I got an opportunity to visit Kham to celebrate Tibetan Losar.
Ne Ladakh kumla jashi stele.
Well, one of our Chinese friends who is very interested in Tibetan culture and Tibetan customs invited us to visit Kham for Tibetan New Year.
你笑得甜蜜蜜，好像花儿开在春风里，开在春风里。罗萨扎西德勒。
So I wish all my Tibetan friends all over the world a very, very warm, happy Tibetan New Year. So I'm very excited. At the same time, I'm very happy to witness the actual Tibetan New Year in Tibet. Tening aya leble mole se tobe Khampa hele mole friends out. So Khampa ko many vegan do. So this is the Shanglam. It's very similar to Ladakh Kharyo area, even the old town area. So generally we call that the Kharyo area. So the houses are intact, no car roads, only Staram and Milambo together.
Homestay.
This is homestay. And just like Archaeology Survey of India, ASI protected those old heritage in Leh, here it's local government and the Chinese government also protected these heritage places. And these streets and this wall, Sangwo, are very similar to old Ladakhi houses, and I'm very familiar with these steep stairs. Jab liblong mela khoi tandogle jak khuna kayale and taste is exactly same as Ladakhi jak khuna nam like very similar, you know. Tene jak khuna ko jab tangsa singboni dene khone toma thangdo yale toma nang po dimar bo ju chukste tome na kore phe jab lu to yale teo mari gaspa chukste tangsta no yale tene I mar bang kore phe jab lukan wang jab ngada mar kore phe bang jab thon no yale toma nang po. This is the singer Anupur. Here he's very famous. In fact, he's famous in all Himalayan region, right? So lunch we had momo. Where he's saying hotole momo nante sokaya. The one we are having is yaksha momo. So this is very typical Tibetan open terrace. It's called yaps, right? So it was lovely day, bright warm sun. I'm giving her some makeup and she loves makeup.
다시 달라. 다시 달래. 테리 로자 로사발라. 어야 샤발란도. 아야 나오지 창와라. 로사레 라 자시스텔레 자시스텔레. 네 라르스파 콤라 자시스텔레.
Asli mole exercise ben ye pot pa con la tashis dele mole norte ye la raf pa con la tashis dele go anyways 伊个坎巴尼斯卡的那样的龙当龙呀，开始做着呢，zamaza 这都个嘞。但我在don page 头那 zamal don 的是做什么哇？呀don当don，可能 direct mana straight roughly zo tong look 这都个嘞。In fact, Khampa skirt is very straightforward and very rough. So momo is ready. Tene momo po khone chamik dungkan jina paks te zaru gale chamik po ngata thange de chokshi to it tastes like thange tene khone aba lewo mane shikan khaspe ge jugale na skos tangkan mane khaspe ge jug tene khone mane jangkan mane skos tangkani te naksha ga chikstan se alega. And I want to add one more thing here. Ngati last money ringmo many kilometer English money ringmo just to no quale, especially those programs area and the area money ringmo yale. Iro money ringmo mathong yale. I have never seen any money ringmo, but just money tiring, money last score, then riuniga money scores day, ya sangas scores day. Those can be found in Kham every after few kilometers. Tene ngata nangpa sangas pe chosna jizun donwa wo ya donma tara wo sangas chame phama juksen jo pa tene iro ya lamba chame ne jizun donwa na tene yang yun jaga yang riuni ga mancha jizun donma skos na chana le oto san jalgyo to gya le. So on tsespa chik of Tibetan Losar, we went up in the mountain to offer sang. So we all know sang. Sang is a Lhasol sang. Kung iro shkesen le Khampa, which Ladakhi also does on Ladakhi New Year. It is a deity invocation and a purification rites of incense burning. Iyul bo mayuri katok thupo jamane chakse do gyale. Tene mane phuk chiga do tene iyul la tong pasum chu thal jigyo yale and me ganangi chu thal jigyo. So this family choose to live in a very high mountain because they have around 150 yak di zomo which need a very high altitude grazing areas. Tene konga around 150 yak di zomo yulu yale. Tene julu Manjat city area do yale, which is 30-40 kilometers away from here. So Manjat ira kango nun dukches nale. In the yak di zomo nastinji. Khampa on almost nothing else and make Khampa so together. We talk for when stara just stara ya stora to just in a simchan and do together. Talk for when I'm doing just mana. So it's almost similar. Gordon, quase gordon. Tumbu ni the jar the water the galley. Tumbu chun. Jingang kachik tongyu do gale. Jingona macha khoni nyungma tapchen lo. Nyungma os kam chukste tene khoni yang balang zo mona ta chen lo yale. Tene nyungma mani pura scam chesne khatok pura things te do le pura scam chukste. Ngata Losar dan sang ta mi no khoni pot pa ne mang chat sang bo I riu ni ga songte. Then ilchang me loma o chat kyong se den hone sang tang ga lo sa dane. Lo sa dane pura yu gang kwa sang tang do de. Sang zena da mani sang o zinji sang zinji sang tang kwa. Then la ma ja ne juxta khone chof chof ya. So Nyuma is Labuk family, right? So it is something good to eat in winter. So this village follows Sakya Rinpoche, and Sakya Rinpoche koi skupar bo Khampa na tong na jar dugal, and followed by their local Rinpoche. Khampa mani chunji koi khanja chik mani me na yale kone sang mani lo sa dani sang ta mani yong bushi sun yale. Nam gyundu go down city area do lo yale. And you sang what answer we are going down to main city for lunch. You are calling today. It is good as a shower be good for our just to do. And one thing I want to show you guys, Kham it was good shape in our So this prayer flags are white in color, and this looks so beautiful. I have never seen this way of offering prayer flag in form of tent shape. And even in the Himalayan region, Ladakh, Sikkim, Bhutan, those areas, I have visited there, but I've never seen. And I have seen this only in the Kham region. It's also sunglass This is incomplete. It will be fully complete by the end of this year. With this, I will conclude my video here. So I wish all my Tibetan friends all over the world a very warm, happy Tibetan New Year. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.